Understanding your skin type is the foundation of effective skincare. While many people struggle to identify their specific skin characteristics, knowing your skin type can help you choose the right products and develop a routine that addresses your unique needs. Normal skin. Normal skin is often considered the ideal skin type, characterized by a balanced production of sebum and moisture. It presents with a regular texture, few imperfections, and a clean, soft appearance that doesn't require special care. This skin type maintains good elasticity and moisture levels naturally with small to medium-sized pores and an even skin tone. If your face rarely reacts to weather changes or cosmetics, you likely have this enviable skin type. Normal skin is actually quite rare compared to other skin types. Those fortunate enough to have normal skin typically experience fewer skin concerns, with their complexion appearing healthy and flawless with minimal effort. The skin feels neither tight nor greasy, maintaining a comfortable balance throughout the day. For those with normal skin, the primary goal is maintenance, preserving the natural balance through gentle cleansing, hydration, and protection from environmental damage. When it comes to skincare for normal skin, a simple routine works best. Experts recommend cleansing twice daily with a gentle, non-foaming cleanser, followed by a light, hydrating moisturizer. Sun protection with an SPF of 30 or higher is essential for maintaining skin health. For added benefits, a moisturizer containing hyaluronic acid can provide optimal hydration without disrupting the skin's natural balance. Remember that less is more with normal skin. Using too many products can potentially disrupt their natural equilibrium and lead to imbalances. For facial treatments, those with normal skin have the luxury of choice. Most facial types will work well, though hydrating facials that include deep cleansing, a moisturizing massage, and steam treatment can help maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. These treatments help preserve the skin's inherent health while providing a relaxing, pampering experience. Oily skin. Oily skin results from an overproduction of sebum by the skin's sebaceous glands. This excess oil production gives the skin a shiny, greasy appearance, particularly in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. People with oily skin typically have enlarged, more visible pores that can easily become clogged, leading to frequent breakouts, blackheads, and other blemishes. Interestingly, oily skin is paradoxically also dry in nature, with the difference being that it defends itself by secreting sebum. The sebum produced is usually much denser and abundant, causing the characteristic enlarged pores. This skin type is common in adolescents and young adults under 30 years old, often related to hormonal fluctuations that trigger increased sebum production. Despite its challenges, oily skin does have one significant advantage. It typically develops fewer wrinkles as it ages compared to other skin types. For oily skin, a consistent four-step routine is recommended. 1. Cleansing with an exfoliating cleanser containing salicylic acid, both morning and night. 2. Using a toner with salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or lactic acid. 3. Treating with benzoyl peroxide or retinol. And 4. Applying a lightweight moisturizer. This approach helps control oil production while maintaining the skin's moisture balance. Facial treatments, particularly beneficial for oily skin, include deep cleansing facials that focus on thoroughly cleaning the skin and unclogging pores. These typically involve thorough cleansing, exfoliation, and extraction of blackheads and whiteheads. Salicylic acid facials are also excellent choices, as this beta-hydroxy acid helps exfoliate the skin and unclog pores effectively. Clay mask facials can absorb excess oil and purify the skin. For more intensive treatment, the VI chemical peel, which contains salicylic and retinoic acid, can effectively address persistent oiliness and breakouts. When choosing a moisturizer for oily skin, look for oil-free, lightweight formulas. Dry skin produces less sebum than it needs, resulting in a lack of natural protection against moisture loss. This skin type is characterized by roughness, tightness, and a thin structure that often manifests as flaking or a feeling of constriction, especially after cleansing. Without sufficient natural oils, dry skin loses moisture quickly and appears visibly dehydrated, dull, or even scaly, with more pronounced fine lines and wrinkles. The compromised skin barrier in dry skin makes it particularly vulnerable to external factors. Due to the lack of sufficient sebum, this skin type cannot defend itself effectively against environmental stressors, making it essential to avoid potential allergens in skincare products that could further slow regeneration processes. Certain habits like taking long, hot showers or using abrasive products can exacerbate dryness, by further disrupting the skin barrier. Caring for dry skin requires a focus on gentle, hydrating products that restore moisture and strengthen the skin barrier. Rich moisturizers containing ingredients that lock in hydration are essential, as is avoiding harsh cleansers that strip away the skin's limited natural oils. Regular, gentle exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can make dryness appear more pronounced, while humectant ingredients like hyaluronic acid attract and retain moisture in the skin. For those with dry skin, rich, deeply hydrating moisturizers are essential. Hydration boosting facials are particularly beneficial for dry skin. Look for facial treatments that emphasize deep hydration and nourishment to replenish and soothe the skin. Combination skin presents a mix of both oily and dry characteristics, making it one of the most common yet challenging skin types to manage. Typically, the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, is oilier with enlarged pores, while the cheeks and eye area tend to be normal or dry. This occurs because the distribution of sebaceous and sweat glands is not homogeneous across the face. The dual nature of combination skin requires a balanced approach to skincare that addresses both the oily and dry areas without exacerbating either condition. The cheek areas often have fewer sebaceous glands, resulting in insufficient sebum production for effective protection, while the T-zone produces excess oil. This contrast can fluctuate with seasons or hormonal changes, requiring adjustments to skincare routines throughout the year. Managing combination skin effectively often involves using different products on different areas of the face. Lighter, oil-controlling formulas for the T-zone, and richer, more hydrating products for drier areas. Gentle cleansers that don't strip the skin are essential, as is finding the right balance of hydration that satisfies dry areas without overwhelming oilier regions. Multimasking. Applying different treatment masks to different facial zones can be particularly effective for this skin type. For combination skin, versatile moisturizers can be excellent choices. When selecting facial treatments, consider customized approaches that address different zones of the face separately. A skilled esthetician can apply different products and techniques to the T-zone versus the cheeks, providing targeted care for each area's specific needs. Sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is highly reactive and prone to irritation regardless of whether it's also oily, dry, or combination. This skin type often experiences redness, burning, itching, or stinging sensations in response to certain ingredients, environmental factors, or harsh skincare products. People with sensitive skin may notice that their complexion flushes easily with temperature changes, spicy foods, or new products. The delicate nature of sensitive skin requires extra caution when selecting skincare products and treatments. Fragrances, alcohol, and certain preservatives commonly trigger reactions, making it essential to choose gentle, fragrance-free formulations specifically designed for reactive skin. Sensitive skin benefits from minimal, consistent routines that avoid introducing too many new ingredients at once. Building a skincare routine for sensitive skin involves identifying and avoiding personal triggers while strengthening the skin barrier with soothing anti-inflammatory ingredients. Patch testing new products before applying them to the entire face is crucial, as is gradually introducing active ingredients at lower concentrations to minimize potential reactions. With proper care and attention to ingredients, even sensitive skin can achieve balance and comfort. For sensitive skin, gentle, fragrance-free moisturizers are essential. When it comes to facial treatments for sensitive skin, look for those that emphasize calming and soothing ingredients. Gentle facials that avoid harsh exfoliants or potentially irritating ingredients are best. Many spas offer specialized sensitive skin facials that use products specifically formulated to minimize reactions while still providing hydration and nourishment.